Hello everyone, welcome to Drishti IAS. My name is Saloni Nanthyolier, and in this video let us talk about INS Ikshak, which has been very recently commissioned into the Indian Navy. So INS Ikshak is a hydrographic survey vessel that has been commissioned into the Indian Navy. Now, what do you understand by a hydrographic survey vessel? So a hydrographic survey vessel is used to map the ocean floor. So you can think of it as a map maker of the sea. So this vessel is going to survey the ocean floor, the coastlines, the ports, the harbors, and create accurate maps for our usage. So it is going to help us with maritime operations, relief and rescue operations, navigation operations, etc. by creating accurate maps. In fact, the word INS Ikshak, this means, Ikshak basically means the guide. So this vessel is staying true to its name. It is going to guide us. It is going to guide us in all these operations by creating accurate maps for our usage. And this vessel is actually part of a larger project. So there's a larger project which is called Hydrographic Survey Vessels Large Project. And under that project, we are building 4 hydrographic survey vessels. And INS Ikshak is third in the line. There is one more vessel that will follow. Ikshak is third in the line of these hydrographic survey vessels. And INS Ikshak has been built by Garden Reach Shipbuilders and Engineers, which is based out of Kolkata, in collaboration with Larsen and Toubro, based out of Chennai. Now, in order to understand the importance of INS Ikshak, we need to look at some critical technical features of this vessel. So, first and foremost, this is 80% indigenous. So 80% of the parts that have been used in building this ship are indigenous, are made in India. This is in line with what? This is in line with our vision of Atmanirbhar Bharat, self-reliance in the naval sector. And whenever we go indigenous, A, we save our money, but B, we also give a boost to our economy because now we can lend these parts or lend this technology to our friendly countries and generate revenue out of this. So with INS Ikshak, we have gone 80% indigenous. Then we also have advanced sonars and eco sounders. So the eyes and ears of the ship, eco sounders and sonars, they are also technologically very advanced. They can reach up to different places in the ocean and help us with accurate seafloor mapping. Then it also integrates autonomous underwater vehicles. Now, why is this important? This is important because in an ocean floor, there are going to be areas that will be very dangerous, very risky for humans. So instead of risking our lives, instead of risking the lives of human divers, we can simply make use of what? Autonomous underwater vehicles and get that data for our ocean floor mapping. And this feature has been provided in INS Ikshak. Then there is also a helicopter-enabled deck. This means that there is a space in the ship which basically allows helicopters to land and take off. And this is particularly going to be important in the disaster rescue and relief operations when we need to carry people, we need to carry essential medical supplies. That is when helicopter-enabled deck is going to be very, very handy for us. Then the endurance is 2000 plus nautical miles. This means that the ship can stay in water, it can travel in water for longer durations without having to return to the port for essential supplies or fuel because the endurance of the ship is very high. So this is going to help us with longer duration missions. These are some important technical features of this ship which basically increases the strategic importance of this vessel. And if we talk about the strategic importance in particular, first and foremost, I told you that because we have gone indigenous, we have given a boost to our economy and we have also given a boost to our blue economy. Why? Because what is the primary goal of INS Ikshak? The primary goal is to survey the ocean map, to create ocean floor and create these maps. So once we have these accurate maps, we will know exactly where the fishing zones are or where the minerals are located, how extraction should take place. So all these things are going to give a big boost to the blue economy of the country. Next, there's another interesting thing in this vessel, which is that the vessel has gone gender inclusive. What does this mean? This means that this is the first Navy survey vessel which has quarters for female sailors and officers. No Navy survey vessel earlier used to have quarters for female sailors and officers. So with this is staying true to Navy's commitment of gender inclusivity. So this again is an interesting feature. Next, this is also going to increase our dominance in the Indian Ocean region. Because we have the capacity, we have gone indigenous, we can leverage this capacity, we can lend this capacity, and we can also increase our dominance in the Indian Ocean region and also counter China at times. And this can also turn into a floating hospital. This means that during the times of disaster, this can turn into a floating hospital because this is going to be decked with essential supplies, essential medical supplies, rescue equipments, etc. And we need not wait for the ship to reach the harbor to provide safety to the people. It can turn into a floating hospital. These are some key features of INS Ikshak. This increases the strategic importance of the vessel because now we can leverage this technology, we can lend this technology and also help other friendly nations in building similar equipments. So that was all for this video. Now let us look at a practice question for prelims. The primary role of INS Ikshak is to, this is a pretty straightforward question. A. Conduct anti-submarine warfare patrols. B. Carry aircraft for naval air operations. C. Perform hydrographic surveys to map the ocean floor. D. Patrol India's exclusive economic zone for illegal fishing activities. Choose the correct statement. Please attempt this question and provide your answers in the comment section. Thank you for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.